Hello my friends, now we are going to make tutorial about the powerful software called Revit. The Revit is a BIM, Building Information Modeling software for designing, rendering, analyzing your buildings. It's very powerful, and thanks to Autodesk that allow us to make tutorial with their trial version of the software. You can go simply on Autodesk and you can buy a Revit, pay annually or monthly that you want, or you can download your free trial version. So this software is powerful and you can use it. It is very powerful software for architectural. We have in this first season we are going to just these tools. We have prepared a lot of video for you, just we have to upload in YouTube waiting for us. This software, you can, in this tab you can do your structural and foundation of your modeling. You can do your steel foundation of your modeling or precast system. You can designing your electrical, your plumbing, piping, or any mechanical equipment in your buildings. Very interesting. Here you can analyze your buildings from energy, wasting energy, the energy pass through the wall, sun study, anything that you want. In this part, in the massing and site, you can modeling any form, any organic form for your wall, for your buildings in this software. We have a lots of tools. Revit is very big, and it has a lot of tools here that we will explain them in detail one by one. So wait for us. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.